What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have another trade for you guys here. Pretty straightforward trade. This basically was technically it was not a second entry short, but it was basically 2 legs up. This right here, I count this as just a 0. So altogether 0, first entry, second entry. Technically it's a third entry, but visually it's a second entry. So anyways, yeah, we have a channel working down, you have a break, and you're looking for price to retest this low, even possible measured move. I was aiming for just the recent swing low. I could have aimed for the swing low at the bottom. I should have aimed for that, but shoulda, coulda, woulda. You just never know, so I played it safe. Correction has played out as well, so I was pretty confident in this trade. It did go against me for a little bit. I wasn't really too worried about it. Now the best play here is a lower high. This is a little bit of an aggressive entry, and you might have got your scalp here if you're scalping for 1 point, but lower high is the best setup here, and we do get out here as well. So once I saw that, I felt a lot more confident in the trade. But right now it's working kind of sideways. It'll start going against me shortly. Like I said, I was fairly confident in the trade, and I was a little bit getting concerned at this point. I was like, maybe that wasn't the right call, but I was still looking for the price to test this low. This is just, you can't ignore this channel. It's there. So once the lower high formed, like I said, I felt a lot more confident and at ease when I was trading, when I was in the trade, I should say. But there was a couple of opportunities to go long this higher low here, and then there's a short here. I actually took a short right here at this area on my other account. This is pretty much the same exact setup, same exact repeat pattern. Yeah, here we go. We get our 3 points here. Straightforward, easy trade, and this is what the chart looks like. Yeah, like I said, the price was retested in this low. Unfortunately, it did not test the measured move, which, okay, it's okay, it happens. It is what it is. The trade that I took my other account, and this is also could be a potential short here. But these two trades, I don't know why this is green, it should be red. But these two trades, the red arrows, it's a pretty much repeat pattern. You have a channel working down, you have a break, and you're looking to retest of the lows. Same thing here, you have a channel working down, you have a break, and you're looking to retest, price test its lows. Man, I can't talk today. Yeah, and yeah, pretty straightforward trade, honestly. This, like I said, this lower high is your best bet. It is a little bit congested, but the context is good. My entry was a little bit aggressive, but that's okay. And if you take in these kind of entries, be ready to be wrong and be ready to be in the drawdown a little bit. But sometimes they do pay out and sometimes they don't. There was an entry to go long here. So again, same concept. Technically, this is a second entry right here. By the counts, you have first entry, first entry, second entry. But again, if you're looking at it as a 0, this whole thing is a 0. So you have 0, first entry, and then second entry. So it'll be second entry right here. Let me show you this. It'll be right at this bar. So if you're scalping for 1 point, that would have worked just fine. But unfortunately, the price started to reverse, and you get a lower high here. But that's I don't really like that, because you're going short into this small resistance here, and you don't want that. Like I said, higher low here, beautiful entry. Lower high here again. It's more of a triple test than a lower high, to be honest. I mean, it is lower high nevertheless, but it's more of like a triple test. And of course, this is a true second entry. So you have 0 here, right? 0, first entry, second entry. So that's a true second entry. Again, I took that on another account. Super clear entry. And that's it. I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you all for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. Peace.